has a lovely footpath that way, but what understandable though. Wow. Yes, there was again. Bloody hell. Wowzers. Na, dwi'n iawn, diolch yn fawr. Lle ti'n mynd, Megs? Lle ti'n mynd? Ia, oedden nhw'n byw o fan hyn chi? Ond, wyt ti'n gwybod, o'n lot o bobl yn byw mewn un tŷ bach fel hyn? Ha? Beth sy'n yna?
Oh, I'm scary. We've got tiny footprints.
Tiny footprints?
Yeah, kind of wild.
Where are you going? Across the pond? Over the bridge?
No, Mum.
Ble ti'n mynd, Megs? Ti'n mynd ofio? That's a river or a stream, or whether that's an exit to an adit there. I'd love to go and explore, but I need to catch up with my kids. I'm almost certain that back in the 90s they were still working on here. So my dad was working here. Almost certain. Yes, I'm in, Megs.
Can I ask that down?
Dad, dwi'n meddwl bod Megs yn trymud i'n ofio chi. Megs! Come on, Megs! Lle mae'n mynd? My family have abandoned me because it started raining and getting wet. Jesus Christ, this isn't rain, this is blino. There's the entrance to Gwmorthin mae'n. Mae'n? Quarry? Quarry, I suppose. I'm going in, fuck it. This is creepy. This is creepy. Hello sheep. Lovely little life. In Gwmorthin, eating grass, getting socked by rain, then ending up as lamb chops. It's raining again. Well, torrential now. Guess where my raincoat is? Yep, in the car. Must have been a really hard life for them living here. But then, look at the view. I imagine this wasn't a big lake before the quarrying, or was it? Working in the quarries 7 days a week. Then look at the view. Not all bad, I suppose. I imagine they didn't care about the view because of the working conditions. I'm smiling because I've been through that with a Land Rover. Dad driving when we went up to Rhosib. Because this road, you can cross, go through a gate over there, around that corner, and then up to Rhosib. That was fun. See, in the 90s, there used to be a big, massive shed here. A little slate mill. Because my dad worked here. I remember coming up this way with Dad and his Land Rover, going up that way, then up the hill, and keep going. And I'm pretty sure they were blasting up there somewhere, which I'll show you in a clip in a minute. Oh, I love this place. I love this place. This is home. Even when it's raining and cold, I still love it. Shit! Yeah, like rain. Lots of it. This is Blana. And I love it. A bit wet. Look. You'd think I'd come prepared. I did, but I left my coat in the car because I'm a bloody idiot. Anyway, one more hill to go and then I'm back in the car. Kids are down there getting very concerned that I've got lost. I got lost in Gwmorthin, for God's sakes. This place, excuse language, is fucking amazing. This is where I should